Alright, so picked up this Crafted Elements leveling system. Got it mounted on an 8-foot table, and I am really impressed with the quality of this. We've already done the back side. We flipped it over. This is the beautiful side here. And I made a couple videos and talked about what I want to do with it. It took us a week or so to get this built. We've got the system on here to hold things nice and flat and tight. It's not going to go anywhere. The T-track method and the clamp method I like. It turned out to be an awesome way to do it. I'm going to run this through a couple times. Like I said, I'm really impressed with the quality of the cut. It'll reduce the workload time on finishing the top by at least 40%. And that's really what I wanted to see. We will be offering this as a service to level your slabs, whether it's off the mill, out in the yard for 3 years, or freshly epoxied and need to be brought down for the next step. Well, I'm going to get to it. Really excited to see how this is going to come out. The wood, the stuff inside the wood is just absolutely incredible.